Hello guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, I'll prep my skin with moisturizer. I have used St. Devon's moisturizer, which I have bought from Amazon. Next, I use primer on my face. I'm using Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. It will create base for my makeup. It will fill creases and pores. So my foundation will go on more smoothly. I use my fingers to apply primer. For my base, I use L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And to add bit of glow on my skin, I mix this in with Revlon Photo Ready Skin Light Illuminator. This is medium coverage foundation and have semi-matte finish. It photographs very nice. I'm using flat brush to apply foundation on my face. I'm blending foundation using Beauty Blender. Blend properly on your face and neck area. To fill in eyebrow, I am using HR Kajal pencil. It does not spread at all, so I prefer to use it. Be very careful when you work with eyebrows. So my base makeup is done now. I'm going to start with my eyes. For my eyes, I chosen to do black eyeshadows because it goes perfect with my black outfit. First, I am applying eyeshadow with flat brush. Then I will blend eyeshadow using fluffy brush. I'm using generic glitter eyeshadow palette because it has very beautiful glittery shades. I'm working more on outer corners. Blend your eyeshadow very nicely. Next, I am going to highlight inner corners of my eyes by using silver eyeshadow. You can also use any highlighter. Also apply it lower line and upper line of eyebrows. I'm correcting my eyebrows. Next, I am going to apply eyeliner for my upper lash line. For that, I am using L'Oreal Black Gel Eyeliner. I am going to use small brush to apply it. It is going to stay really long and you can do nice wing eyeline with it. I use my last finger's nail to make wing very thin. I'm using HR pencil kajal for my lower lash line. I'm blending small amount of kajal to give little smoky look by using flat brush. Next, I am going to use concealer. I am using Maybelline Dream Lumi concealer in the shade Honey. Now this highlighting concealer, it also brightens while concealing. So I am using it under my eye area, along the bridge nose, on Cupid's bow, also on my forehead. To blend it, I am just using Sponge Beauty Blender. I am darkening my lower kajal. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm applying mascara on my eyelashes. For that I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Black Mascara. It gives very dramatic look. I'm also applying it on my lower lash line. So now my eye makeup is done now. Next I am going to apply lip balm. This is VLCC Mango Lip Balm. It will moist your lips and protect from cracking and drying your lips. Next I am going to apply liquid lip gloss. I have purchased this from local market because I love the shade. It is matte finish lip gloss. I am applying it all over my lips. Now I am applying L'Oreal Matte Compact on my face. It will set all my makeup. Next I am going to contour my face. I am using generic contour stick and I am applying it on my cheekbone, nose area, jawline and forehead. I am blending it with small and medium size fluffy brush. Blend it very well. Next I am going to apply blush on my cheekbones. I am using Maybelline Cheeky Glow blush in shade Peachy Sweetie. I am applying it using fluffy brush. It will give beautiful pinky color to my cheeks. So this is my final look. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.